Okay, so I've got another trace table question here. Trace the following fragment for n equals 139 and L equals 3 by copying and completing the trace table given below. D equals n, 139, divided by L. Z equals 1, B equals false. And then we've got a little looping program. But I'm just going to put in this data we've got here, these variables here, these three variables. So D equals n divided by L. So if I say 139, okay, and I'll do it the old-fashioned bus stop way, yeah, divided by 3, we've got, you can see here, 4, carry the 1, 6 3s are 18, so it's going to be remainder 1. Okay, so I'm going to put in there 46. Okay, Z equals 1, okay, that's easy. B equals false. Z, yeah, where are we up to? Z, here we go, is less than L, question mark. Well, L is 3, Z is 1, so Z is less than L, so that's true. Nothing to output at this time, we're only just putting in our variables. So we're going to loop while Z is less than L. Well, L is 3, okay, so we're going to loop round potentially 3 times. D equals D divided by L, okay, Z equals Z plus 1, B equals not B. So we're going to reverse and not gate, we're going to reverse whatever B is. So in this case, if B is false, then it will return true. But we'll do it in order, okay? Got 3 little points inside our loop there, okay, before we end the loop. Once we've ended the loop, we've got a choice, we've got a decision, okay? We've got if D does not equal 0 and B, then output D and B, okay? Else, output Z and not B, okay? So we've got 2 decisions there. So let's carry on with this. I'm going to loop while Z is less than L, okay? So D equals D divided by L. L is 3, okay? D is now value 46. So 46, again, divided by 3, okay, would equal 15, remember 1. Okay, so I'm going to put 15 in here. Yep. Z equals Z plus 1, so Z must equal 2. Okay, looks like we're doing some counting. B is not B, so B now returns true. Yeah. Okay, Z is less than L. L is 3. Okay, so that's true. Z is less than L still. Okay, round again. So while Z is less than L, D equals D divided by L. Okay, so 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Yep, no remainder this time. Z plus 1 is 3. Okay, B equals not B. So B becomes false. Yeah, loop while Z is less than 3. So is Z less than 3 now? Okay, no, 3 equals 3, so that's false. Okay, so end the loop. We've ended the loop because it's returned false. Z equals L. If D does not equal 0, it doesn't equal 0, and B is true, and B, well, B is false here, so it can't be that one. Okay, so we can reject that. Output Z, yeah, would be 3, okay, and not B. So we would return, in this case, Z, which would be 3, I'll put that down here, comma, same there, and not B. So 3T. Okay, that would be our output, 3T. Okay, fairly straightforward. Okay, once you've got the sort of gist of it, I hope that makes sense. Okay.
Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.